Today we show the concealed door closer installation. This model has many accessories. This is a track, also called channel. The length is 460 mm, has 4 holes for installation. This is the stopper. This is the guide. Need to use together to adjust the hold open degree. This is the track plastic cap, one for left and one for right. This is the arm for collecting. This is the fixing plate. This is the door closer main body. The length is 230 mm. This screws with washer is to collect the body and arm. This guide screw is collect the track and arm. These 4 screws are fixing plate. This screw is used for track and also for the fixing plate on the door. The concealed door closer has both long hold open and hold open function. Here is the installation paper. You can get more details from here. Use for right hand open door installation. For example, make a cutout in door frame for the track. Distance to the hitching side is 65 to 90 mm. The cutout length is 460 mm. Width is 31 mm. Depth is 20 mm. We use these screws to fix the track 4 places. Make a cutout for the door closer body. In order to show you the situation of door closer more easily, so we make here empty. In the real usage, it's closed. The distance to the hitching side is 130 mm. The length is 230 mm. The height is 80 to 90 mm. The width is 32 mm. For a right-hand door application, the door closer surface with R should be at the top. Now we need to make sure the bottom valves are fully closed. For left-hand door application, we do oppositely. This process is very important before you insert the door closer body. Now we fix the fixing plate together with the door closer body. We need to use these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now insert the door closer body with the fixing plate in the door cutout and fix by these screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now collect the arm with the door closer body with these screws and washer to this location. Now we need to collect the arm with the track by these screws, this location. Now the stopper and the guide to this location is for 90-degree hold open. You can adjust as you like. You can use this tooling to lose it and go this direction to the hitching side. The hold open degree will be bigger. To another side, the hold open degree will be less. Now we have finished the installation by 90-degree hold open. First section and second launching section. It's perfect.